Today we're going to talk about a useful feature in Wix that allows you to set certain elements to appear on all pages of your website. Elements added to your site's header and footer automatically appear on all pages. But what if you want to set elements in your page body to show up everywhere as well? No problem. Here's how you can do it. In the Wix editor, right-click on the element you want to make visible across your entire site. From the menu that appears, enable the Show on All Pages toggle. And that's it. The selected element will now appear on every page of your website, making it perfect for consistent features, like chat buttons or navigation menus. Keep in mind that not all elements can be shown on all pages. If you don't see the Show on All Pages toggle in the right-click menu, it means that particular element isn't eligible for this feature. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.